Never take advice from someone who doesn't have the life that you want. Ito yung natutunan ko in the hard way. Nung nagsisimula pa lang ako mag-build ng career o negosyo, I was getting all sorts of advice from friends, family, and even strangers. Some were well-meaning, but none of them had the success or lifestyle that I was aiming for. One person kept telling me, bakit hindi mo na lang itigil ang business mo? Ang hirap lang. I listened for a while, and guess what? It only held me back. But then, I realized they didn't have the freedom, the success, or the life that I was working towards. So I stopped taking the advice and started seeking guidance from people who actually had what I wanted. Moral of the story? Find mentors, not anyone with opinions. Make sure na na-achieve na nila yung goals sa life nila bago pa man sila magbigay sa iyo ng mga unsolicited opinions. Ikaw ba? Kanino ka nakikinig?